Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming test on Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E smartphone. It comes with Kirin 659 octa-core processor, 4GB RAM, Mali T830 GPU, Emotion UI 8, Android 8, and a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus screen. So let's see how much all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the gaming test. So today we got few of the most high-end games and we are going to play them on their highest possible graphics setting, and then we will see that how good Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3 is going to perform, and we will also measure the temperature of the device. So as you can see right now, it's 33 degrees Celsius for CPU and battery both. So let's start our test now. So first of all, let's start with Asphalt Extreme, one of the most popular and heavy graphics racing game, and the volume is full right now. If you go to the settings here, you can see that graphics quality is selected as better, highest possible. So you can see that the graphics quality is really good, and there is no frame drops or lagging while playing Asphalt Extreme right now. And the volume is loud as well. It's not so loud, but good enough to enjoy the game. And here we go. So the graphics quality of Huawei P20 Lite on Asphalt Extreme was really good, as you can see. Now let's play something else. Let's play Injustice 2.
There's no place to hide. Push yourself harder.
So while playing Injustice 2, performance of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3 is good as well. There was no frame drops, no lagging, everything was nice and smooth. And now let's go back to Asphalt Extreme, and you can see that the game is exactly where I have left it. So you can start playing it right from there where you did left. So this is the good thing about the 4GB RAM of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E, that it's performing really well. You can play two high-end games side by side without any force close. You can see Injustice 2 is exactly where I have left as well. And now let's play something else. Let's play Contest of Champions. So in this game as well, performance of Nova 3E or Huawei P20 Lite was really good. Now let's go back from here to Injustice 2. And you can see the game is exactly where we left. Now let's try Asphalt Extreme and this one as well. So you can play at least 3 high-end games side by side without any force closing. So this is really a very nice point. And now let's play something else. And now let's play Shadowgun Legends. And this game I'm going to play on the highest possible graphics setting as well, on the ultra graphics mode, and we will see how good it's going to perform, whether it's going to work properly or not. If not, we will go back and change the graphics setting to see that on which graphics setting it's working properly on this device. So you can see that the ultra high and 60 FPS graphics quality is selected for Shadowgun Legend. Now let's play it a bit. So you can see that it's lagging, it's totally visible here right now, clearly.
Sorry, amigo. I'm kind of busy right now.
Wanna kick some alien ass?
So let's change the graphics settings from here to auto and from ultra high to high and apply it. And now let's see whether it's going to perform better or not. So it's much better. It's still a bit lagging as you can see while changing the camera angles. Let's play it on auto mode. And now it's totally smooth. As you can see here, everything is nice and perfect.
Heads will roll. Damn, that hurts.
So once again there is slight lagging here. Frames are not so smooth. So the gameplay is nice, graphics quality is great, but the game is lagging a bit now and then, but it's playable still. It's not as smooth as the last 3 games that we were playing on our Nova 3E or Huawei P20 Lite. So now let's play the last game for today, and that's Rules of Survival. So you can see the gameplay is really smooth, camera angles are changing so quickly, and the graphics quality is great here as well, as you can see. There is no frame drops, no lagging while playing Rules of Survivor. So you can see that the camera angles are changing very smoothly and quickly, no frame drops, no lagging. So I'm dead, but you can see that the performance of Nova 3E or P20 Lite was really good while playing Rules of Survivor. It was really nice, no frame drops, no lagging, and it was the same story while playing all of the games except the Shadowgun Legends. When we played Asphalt Extreme, Injustice 2, Contest of Champions and Rules of Survivor, there was no frame drops, no lagging, and the gameplay was really smooth, and the graphics quality was good as well. But when we were playing Shadowgun Legend on ultra heavy graphics setting, then it was really lagging, and when we went to the auto mode, the graphics quality was good, but it was still lagging a bit now and then. But in rest of the high-end games, Huawei Nova 3E or P20 Lite performed really good. So if you are a gamer, you will love the performance of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E while playing few of the most high-end games, even though it is not one of the most advanced smartphone in terms of CPU and GPU. And now if we go here, you can see that the temperature is changed to 38 degrees Celsius right now. So after playing all of these high-end games for like nearly 25 minutes, the temperature moved from 33 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. For battery and for CPU it's 37 degrees Celsius, so it's not much still, and I cannot feel any heat or warmth here on the back panel. It's still at the normal temperature pretty much. And if you have a look on the battery percentage, it moved from 89 to 82% after playing all of these high-end games for like 25 minutes. So the battery performance of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E also good when it comes to gaming. Overall, the gaming performance of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E is really nice, and you will be able to play most of the high-end games on good graphics settings without any issue. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.